Hi friends, today we are going to discuss one very important topic of German grammar, and that is what is the structure of a sentence in German or German sentence structure. So I'll be sharing one screen with you so you will get to know how this German sentence is structured or how it is constructed. Yeah. Now, first we'll see the basic rule of these German sentences. That is, subject in a sentence, subject will come first, then verb, and then other information. Right? Now, in German, the basic word order is very similar to English. The same as subject, then verb, then other information. Now, we'll see with example. We'll take one by one sentence, then you will get to know better. Now suppose ich lerne Deutsch, meaning I learn German. Here ich is the subject, lerne is the verb, it means learn. Deutsch is the object, which means German. Okay, we'll see some more also. The verb is always in the second position in a main sentence. So this is very clear. For example, heute lerne ich Deutsch, meaning today I learn German. If you translate in English, it will be like this. It won't be like today learn I German. This is wrong. In English, it will be today I learn German. But in German, it will be heute lerne ich Deutsch. So verb is coming at the second position. Now comes time, manner, place. In German, it is Zeit, is time, Art und Weise, manner, and Ort is place. Now suppose, ich fahre morgen mit dem Bus nach Berlin. Meaning I am going to Berlin tomorrow by bus. But in German, it will be ich fahre. Fahre will come at the second position. Fahre is the verb. Ich is the subject. Fahre is verb. Morgen is time, as we have seen earlier. Time, manner, and place. Then mit dem Bus is manner. How are you going? How are you traveling? Mit dem Bus, by bus. Nach Berlin. Where? To Berlin. Okay, that is the place, meaning Ort in German. So it will be subject, then verb, time, manner, and place. Got it? Okay, we'll see one few more examples. Examples where something else come first. Now suppose Morgan, here Morgan is coming at the first position. Morgan gehe ich ins Kino. Morgan is tomorrow. Tomorrow I go to the cinema hall. Or you can say zu Hause esse ich Frühstück. At home I ate breakfast because Frühstück is breakfast. So in both the cases, verb is coming at the second position. Morgen gehe. Gehe is the verb here. And zu Hause will take it as one. And esse is the verb. Again, it is coming at the second position. Now, one important rule for advanced beginners, you can say beginners, but advanced beginners. When you have two parts of a sentence connected by verse, sometimes there are two parts, right, in a sentence. Like while. While is because, thus is that, or when is if. Suppose two sentences are connected by this verse, then how will it happen that we are going to see here? The verb goes to the end in the second clause. Okay, this I will explain you with example. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeite. meaning I learn German because I work in Germany. So here in second clause is after while. Arbeiter, that verb is going at the end. It is moving at the end. The verb Arbeiter moves to the end. In first clause, the verb will be at the second position. Ich lerne Deutsch. Lerne will be at the second place. But in second clause, the verb will move to the end. Okay, this you have to understand and keep it in mind. Now, other examples also we'll see. Ich bleibe zu Hause, while es regnet, meaning I stay at home because it's raining, while es regnet. Here also, if you see, in first part of the sentence, first clause, bleibe, the verb comes at the second place. But in second clause, while es regnet, the verb is moving at the end. Next example we'll see. Ich denke, dass Deutsch interessant ist. I think that German is interesting. So here also, in first clause, it is coming at the second place, and second clause, it is moving at the end. Now we'll just see the recap. Main clause, what is the main clause? Verb in second position. Word order, time, manner, place. Subordinate clause or the second clause, verb at the end. Now, just a small quiz for you. How would you say, tomorrow I am studying German at home? Right? How will you say in German? Just think of it, then I will give you the solution. You can write it in the comment box also. But anyway, I'm giving you solution in the next slide. Okay, try it. Okay, now it will be morgen lerne ich zu Hause Deutsch. Right? This is the German translation. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with all these grammar related, exam related, basic conversations videos. So stay tuned. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.